My name is Mayra Lugo. I heard about the industrial automation program through actually one of my friends. I wanted to become a math teacher, but one thing that I wanted to implement in my courses was more hands-on experience. But I just didn't have the tools of how to implement those theories into real life. And he's like, you know what? He's like, take this course with me. It's a brand new course. It's a bachelor program here at BC. See if you like it. And I took the electronics course and I fell in love. My education experience here at BC has been really fun. We do a lot of hands-on training, which is really awesome. It's not only you're learning it on paper, you're also applying it to real life. And I actually got an internship at Wonderful this past summer. I would recommend to the next generation of females that haven't chosen a field, if you're interested, don't be scared, go for it. If you see a lot of males in the field, go for it. I was worried that I didn't have the technical skills. I was worried that I wasn't advanced as like I'd never worked in a car or anything like that, as opposed to like my male peers. But that, honestly, like don't let that stop you. You'll learn. If you don't know it, you'll learn. Seeing the growth I've had within myself, I started with not knowing anything. I didn't know how to wire anything. I didn't know anything about electricity. And now look at me now, I'm programming a UR robot.